Welcome to Adult 101 Checking Accounts. My name is Jesus Najera, and I am a My Brother's Keeper library assistant with the LA County Library. Today, I would like to talk about checking accounts. What are checking accounts, how to use them, and how to open one up. So let's get started. What is a checking account? A checking account is a deposit account held at a financial institution, also known as banks, that allows withdrawals and deposits. Deposit is when you put money into your account, and withdrawal is when you take money out from your account. A checking account often allows for numerous withdrawals and unlimited deposits, which makes it different from other accounts such as a savings account, which may limit both. Checking accounts can include student accounts and joint accounts, which are the most common accounts and the ones we will be discussing today. There are many more types of checking accounts such as traditional, premium, senior, interest-bearing, business, checklist, rewards, and private bank checking. I recommend that you look into these different types of checking accounts after watching this video. Some banks offer a special free checking account for college students that will remain free until they graduate. So if you're a college student and haven't opened a checking account yet, I would take advantage of these types of offers. A joint checking account is one where two or more people, usually marital partners, are both able to write checks on the account. A joint account is also the most common way to open an account for a minor, someone under 18 years old, usually involving a parent or legal guardian as an account co-owner. So if you're under the age of 18 and you want somewhere to place your money you've collected through allowances, birthday cards, etc., I recommend speaking to your parents or legal guardian about your interest in opening a checking account for yourself. How to use a checking account. To deposit funds, you can use ATMs, direct deposit, or over-the-counter deposits. To access your funds, you can write checks, use ATMs, or use electronic debit or credit cards connected to your account. Advances in electronic banking have made checking accounts more convenient to use. You're able to connect your checking accounts to your smartphone, and if the store allows, use it as a form of payment. How to open a checking account. You can set up checking accounts at bank branches or through the financial institution's website. If you are under 18 years old, you will need a parent or legal guardian to sign up with you using the joint account, with them being an account co-owner. If you are 18 years or older, you will be able to open an account by yourself. Some items that the bank looks for when opening an account with them is whether you or your account co-owner have ever bounced checks, refused to pay late fees, or had accounts closed due to mismanagement. If there's nothing to report, that is good. In fact, that's the best possible outcome. It means you have been a model account holder. Being denied an account. If you or your account co-owner haven't been a model account holder, you can effectively be blacklisted from opening a checking account. Your best course of action is to avoid problems before they happen. Monitor your checking account and make sure you check the balance on a regular basis to avoid overdraft charges and fees. When they occur, make sure you have sufficient funds to pay them. The sooner, the better. If you are denied, ask the bank or credit union to reconsider. Sometimes the opportunity to speak with the bank officer is all it takes to get the institution to change their mind. You can also try opening a savings account to build a relationship with the financial institution. Once you're able to get a checking account, it can be tied to the savings account to provide overdraft protection. Key takeaways. A checking account is a deposit account with a bank or other financial firm that allows a holder to make deposits and withdrawals. Checking accounts are very flexible, allowing for numerous deposits and withdrawals as opposed to savings or investment accounts. Money can be deposited at banks and via ATMs through a direct deposit or other electronic transfer. Account holders can withdraw funds via banks and ATMs by writing checks or using electronic debit or credit cards paired with their accounts. It's important to keep track of checking account fees, which are evaluated for overdrafts, writing too many checks, and at some banks, allowing the account balance to drop below the required minimum. Lastly, the information presented to you is for educational purposes, so please reach out to a professional for financial advice. There are a lot of different financial institutions to choose from, so I recommend researching different financial institutions and speaking to either a personal banker, certified financial planner, or accountant for more information about their benefits in opening an account with them. We covered a lot of information in this video today, but if you're interested in learning more, did you know LA County Library has its own digital library where you're able to explore, learn, and research for free? Awesome, right? All you need to access all these free resources is an LA County Library card. You can find various ebooks and audiobooks on OverDrive or Hoopla. Some of the ebooks I recommend that cover personal finance are Personal Finance 101 by Alfred Mill, The Complete Guide to Personal Finance by Tamsin Butler, and Rich Dad Poor Dad for Teens by Robert Kiyosaki. We hope you enjoy Adult 101 checking accounts. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.